What's up, guys? It's your boy Polish Bullet, and we finally found some time to do the rest of the bushings. You know, we got the trans mount bushing, we got an upper engine mount bushing, so we're gonna do it right now. I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. As you can see, I got my setup already ready. I had to buy a jack and stuff like that. You know, living in an apartment building, you know how it is. You know, you can have too many tools because you don't have enough storage, so it is what it is. But I had to buy a couple of things, and the worst problem is I had to buy this socket. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, but over here is very small, you know, hole around the lug nuts. So none of my, you know, tire iron and wrenches, nothing works. So I had to drive back and forth to the freaking Horizon to do it. But we got it done. We got the jack, we got jack stand. I'll show you how to do it. Super easy. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, guys, so first of all, obviously you gotta leave the car. You know, I'm using a jack stand, so you know, I'm using the jack in general, so you need a jack stand, because if you do it with one jack, this one's gonna be used to support the transmission later on. So we're gonna use the jack stand just to leave the car, you know, in a position, and then we're gonna take out the jack and use it to support the transmission, the whole engine basically, because you're unscrewing it. So that's what we're gonna do first. Change the spot. This one is no bueno. Okay. I'll drop it a little bit. Okay, looks solid. Alright, guys, now we're gonna take out the wheel. I'm glad I got this one. It's hard to find something that fits those rims. And those nice, like, plastic coated wrenches are a little bit too big, so you can use those. All right. Okay, I've got everything done. Okay, guys, so that's how we supported the engine with a jack and a piece of 2x4. And over here we got this plastic cover. We gotta unbolt those two screws over here, 14 millimeter 14 millimeter, sorry. And yeah, basically fill it with those new bushings and yeah, screw it back, and that's it. Let's get to it. Okay, guys, so this is it. It's a black bushing. Basically those are inserts, not really like they are bushings, but you know, you basically plug and play, you know what I mean? You don't have to change anything, you just stick it in and that's it. So we're gonna use the grease that's over here. Okay, no, it's not the other one, it's the other one. So the grease, we're gonna grease it up. We're gonna use this plate and screw it back, basically. You know, those are freaking long as bolts, as you guys can see. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, guys, let's go with the bushing. So we just gotta wiggle it in a little bit. It goes around this thing. some fun playing with XY loop. Okay. Okay, nice. Now we're gonna put the plate back. The new plate by PowerFlex. All right. So this is basically it. Now we gotta screw it down. We're gonna torque it to 75 pounds, and you're good to go over here. Okay, nice and tight. All right, put the cap back in. This is it, super easy. Now we're gonna put the wheel back and we're done. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go to the engine bay, and now we're gonna take care of this over here, and make sure your socket is at least like whatever I got over here, 2.5 inches. Otherwise it's gonna be too shallow and it's not gonna grab it. You're not gonna be able to unscrew it. So we're gonna do that. We got our bushing over here. I went with all black top for the upper engine mount and the trans mount, because you know how it is. Once you go black, you never come back, you know what I mean?
Once you go black, you never come back, you know what I mean?
Just kidding. So yeah, make sure your socket is long enough. Make sure you got nice, good KY. Did I say XY before? I think I did. KY lubricant, you know what I mean, right? for those who know, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're gonna take care of it right now, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, don't bash me for the camera placement, because I don't have all the adapters and mounts and everything like that, so it is where it is. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, let's undo it. Obviously the engine is supported from underneath. All right, just like that. Super easy, you know. I'm gonna take this now. Oh baby, look at that KY. I'm just gonna put it over. I think I actually lifted the engine a little bit too much. Or is it? Yeah, I think this one might be a little bit too much, because this basically gotta be flush. So we're gonna drop it slightly, and we're gonna put the bolt back in. Now we got this insert, sorry. So hold on a second guys, sorry. Yeah, we got this insert first, and then nut, and we're done. So yeah, let me drop the engine slightly lower. Okay guys, now it's good. We drop the engine slightly, you know, it's gonna go down. It's just, you know, probably the lubricant is slightly pushing it out, because there's an angle over there. So we go with this, the little insert. Okay guys, we got the insert in. Now we go nut over here. Now screw it back. Basically that's it. After that I'll give you my first impressions. How's the NVH and everything. This one is also 75 pounds. Okay guys, that's basically it. Now we can drop the car. Woo! That was fast. Car's heavy, I guess. Always make sure your wheels are tight. Alright, seems like everything's Gucci. Let's check it out, how it feels. Check this out, what pull up right next to me. Black GR Corolla. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Just too expensive. Alright guys, first start. Okay, I didn't feel anything right now. Let's take on a roll and we'll see how it feels. Okay guys, driving. Honestly, first impressions, I can feel barely anything. We're gonna do a quick pull. I'm gonna try to find a spot. But honestly, you can feel the car is slightly like, you know, like more tense, you can tell, you can say. You know, like kind of harder. But NVH wise, I don't even know if there's anything extra, honestly. And those are, both of the bushings are black. So we got purple lower mount, black upper mount, and black trans mount. So no, like seriously, for now it feels like it might be a perfect combo for like daily driving, you know what I mean? Because right now it feels pretty decent, feels slightly like stiffer, like slightly, unless I didn't feel something, but I'm too old, right? Just kidding. No, but seriously, I think that might be a perfect combo. Two black ones and the purple one on the bottom. I don't know, I never tried the black lower mount, so I don't know about that, but so far we're gonna do a pull, we'll see how it goes. You know, I'm just gonna basically try to feel the car. I'm not gonna be breaking any records or anything. I got like 100 pounds of tools and stuff in the trunk, so it's gonna be slow regardless. But I just want to see how it feels and the wheel hub and everything. That's more important for me right now, you know. So yeah, let's try to find a spot over here and do a quick pull, and we'll see how it feels. Okay, let's get on the street. We're ready, basically. Okay. I guess we're ready. This is slightly uphill, you know. I got both tires, basically heavy trunk, so it ain't gonna be no record for sure. But we'll see. Okay. So we got 0.7, but a little bit uphill, heavy, plus the spinning. I don't know, I'm sure you guys can hear spinning like crazy. So yeah, but it felt good. No wheel hub, no nothing like that. So you know, I'm kind of happy. I'm happy it's not giving me any like extra NVH really. I mean, maybe like super slightly, but this is barely, you can barely feel anything. So that's the first impressions, guys. Alright guys, so I did 2 pulls. You know, the time sucks. I know, you don't have to bash me in the comment section about that, but I know it sucks. The first one, I burned rubber so bad that I could see smoke in the rear view mirror. So You know, the tires are basically done. You know, I got almost 31,000 miles, probably like at least 25 out of those, I'll assume around 25,000 was made on those Michelins, plus some motocross, you know, drag strip or something like that. So, you know, it's okay. It's okay. It was just spin fest, but the car felt pretty good. The first pull, there was one like wheel hop, like one jump. I don't know, maybe the street was not even or something over there. You know, it's just a regular road. I don't have anything nice, flat, you know, out of the civilization type of road over here. So there's a bunch of cars, cops around it. So, you know, I don't want to risk it too much. But the car definitely felt good. It actually felt a little bit better. You can feel like microscopic, literally, level of NVH comparing to just the purple bushings. But that's what I like. Honestly, for daily driving, this combo might be the best combo, you know, for your daily driver, basically. A purple one for the lower mount. Oh, these people, as always. Black one for the upper mount, and the trans mount is the black one also. So I think that might be the best combo. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. You know, I'm not gonna mess with this setup anymore. I'm gonna leave it like that, unless maybe I'll go, you know, track day racing or something. I might swap the purple for the boom bar mount. But other than that, feels good, runs good, drives good. You know, the feeling is pretty nice, and yeah, I mean, that's my opinion. So thank you guys for watching. You know, I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.